Flagstaff at 47, mid-40s in Page, and 70s all along the Colorado River now. Okay.
People have been found lurking outside of people's houses. They appear to be big, black, and have taken 20-year-old white girl Jessica Smith. Her room has been found with a note that says, "I want that cake the figures have." Okay, what was that? Are we hijacked or something? That shit ain't scary. You onto some sort of FNAF shit or something?